Hello everyone. Today we will explore the fascinating world of mobile sensor and the components that makes smartphone so smart. These sensors detect everything from movement and location to environmental changes, enabling the features like GPS, navigation, fitness, tracking, and augmented reality. Let's start the session. This presentation will go like this, starting with a comparison of mobile phones and smartphones. Mobile phones are the old phones that have basic functions like calls, text, whereas smartphones have advanced features, apps, and sensors. In this presentation, we have classified these sensors into two types. One is basic, another one is advanced. In basic, we have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, and light sensor. In advanced, we have barometer, fingerprint, and heart rate sensor. And next, we introduce the application that built up with the help of these sensors like health, gaming, navigation, and augmented reality. Future trends. Which sensor make this mobile smarter and integrated sensor creating for new application. And finally, we conclude this topic by the impact of sensors in smartphones. So shall we start the presentation? Difference between mobile phone and smartphone. Mobile phones initially focused on two key functions, making calls and sending SMS messages, allowing instant communication. With the advent of smartphones, we gained access advanced features like internet, browsing, and apps. What makes smartphones truly smart are the sensors enable that functionalities such as GPS tracking and motion detection. These innovations have transformed our daily interaction and experiences. In essence, mobile phone laid the groundwork while smartphones have redefined communication. So, when we call a person smart, the person who solved a complex problem into a easier one, then we call the person as a smart. So why phones are called smart? Because by using sensor, these phones makes complex task into a simpler one. That's why we call it as the smartphones. Introduction to sensors in smartphones. Sensors play crucial role in enhancing smartphone functionality by detecting environmental condition and user inputs. They allow devices to sense their surroundings, which significantly improves the user experience. For instance, sensors like accelerometer and proximity sensors enable features such as screen rotation and automatic brightness adjustment. Overall, these technologies make smartphones more intuitive and responsive to our needs. Shall we see an image that lists out all sensors and their position available in the mobile phone? So in the left top, we have proximity sensor, and next one ambient light sensor, and CMOS images sensors, GPS sensor, accelerometer, humidity, and in the middle we have microphone, and in the right side we have temperature sensor, pressure sensor, fingerprint sensor, magnetometer, gyroscope, and the touch sensor. So these are the sensors available in the smartphones. Most smartphones are equipped with a variety of basic sensors that enhance their functionality. These sensors are responsible for essential features such as detecting light levels, measuring orientation, and tracking location. For example, the proximity sensor turns off display during calls, while the accelerometer adjusts screen orientation based on how you hold your device. Let's dive into these sensors to understand their critical roles in improving user experience. Accelerometer. The accelerometer detects movement and orientation, playing a vital role in smartphone. It enables features like screen rotation and step tracking, allowing the device to adjust based on how it's held or moved. This sensor measures acceleration into 3 dimensions, enhancing user interaction and functionality in various applications, including fitness tracking and gaming. Let's imagine we have seen a video in your mobile in the landscape mode. When you turn the mobile into the portrait mode, automatically the mobile will turn the video into the portrait mode. This is achieved with the help of accelerometer sensor. We have 4 images. These images are the GIF representation of the accelerometer sensor. So first one is the how accelerometer works, that displayed on the left side first image, and the right side top of the image show the orientation of the mobile phone into different positions. So according to the positions, the mobile phone function will be changed, that will with the help of accelerometer sensor. The gyroscope sensor measures angular rotation, providing crucial data for various applications. In smartphone, it enhances user experiences in gaming, augmented reality, and virtual reality. By tracking orientation and movement, this allows for more immersive interaction as the device can respond to changes in position and angle, creating a dynamic user experience. In the right top of the slide, we have the GIF function of the gyroscope sensor, and we have 2 more images. The first one is VR, that is nowadays most of the kids enjoying the VR based games. These games and these VR based apps are done with the help of this gyroscope sensor functionality. And augmented reality, we have another one image. This is the augmented reality. This one is achieved with the help of gyroscope sensor. Magnetometer detects magnetic fields and is essential for navigation in smartphones. It allows devices to function as compasses, providing direction and orientation by measuring the Earth magnetic field. This sensor is widely used in compass-based apps and navigation systems that help user to find true north and enhancing location accuracy. By analyzing magnetic fields, the magnetometer plays a key role in outdoor activities and travel. Shall we say a real-time example? In older days, we have the keychain that has north, south, and west, east. If we rotate the keychain or we throw the keychain to others, it takes some more minutes to place the normal position. But when we using maps in your mobile, you can turn the mobile into any side. You can use it to landscape mode, or you can use it as a portrait mode, or you can use it any direction. Immediately that mobile responds. So with the help of magnetometer sensor, this one is achieved. We have seen 3 images in this slide, and the 2 images are the GIF images that represent magnetometer. Second and third images are the how the vehicles are using the magnetometer to navigate the maps. Proximity sensor. The proximity sensor detects nearby objects without physical contact. In smartphones, It turns off the display during calls when the device is held close to the face. This prevents accidental touches and conserves battery life. By automatically adapting to user behavior, the proximity sensor enhances overall user experience. It is the key feature that contributes to the functionality of modern smartphones. Most of the people think smartphones have two front cameras, but the first one is maybe the front camera, but the second one found in the top of the display is the proximity sensor. Most of the people misjudge this as a camera. Camera is different from proximity sensor. This proximity sensor placed in the top of the display, which help to turn off the phone display when we speaking calls. If the mobile we come to see in front of our eyes, then the display will be turned on. Once we place the mobile in near to your ears, then the display will be turned off. This with the help of proximity sensor. By this sensor uh, safe safeguard the battery life, at the same time preventing to unavoided calls by touching your ears. Ambient light sensor detects light levels in the environment and automatically adjusts the screen brightness. This feature ensures optimal visibility whether you are indoors or outdoors. By adapting to surroundings light conditions, it enhances user comfort and experience. Additionally, it helps conserve battery life by reducing brightness in the darker settings. Overall, this sensor plays a vital role in making smartphones more efficient and user-friendly. In normal mobile phone, we have to manually adjust the brightness based on the surroundings. For example, if we go the deeper sunlight, then we have to adjust the brightness to the maximum level. If we go into the darker places, then we have to reduce the brightness by manually. But nowadays, no one adjusting the brightness with manual mode because all are putting automatic. That automatically reduce the brightness when you are going to the darker places and increase the brightness when you are go to the lighter places. That done with the help of light sensor. So this light sensor saves battery life with the help of detecting the surroundings. So now we move on to the advanced sensors. These advanced sensors offer enhanced capabilities and are typically found in high-end smartphones. These sensors, such as biometric and environmental sensors, provide features like improved imaging, motion tracking, and health monitoring. They significantly enhance user experience by enabling functionalities such as augmented reality and advanced navigation. As the technology evolves, these sensors will continue to play a crucial role in the smartphone ecosystem, driving innovation and user engagement. So hereafter, we have listed out some sensors that may not available in all phones. In basic view also, we have listed some few sensors that are unknown or that are unfamiliar. For example, all are know about touch sensor because everyone using touch phone. That's why we have covered a limited sensors in the basic view. And in the advanced level, we have listed some advanced sensors. Barometer measures atmospheric pressure and plays a key role in altitude detection. By monitoring changes in pressure, it can determine how high a user is above sea level. This feature is particularly useful for outdoor activities like hiking and climbing, as it helps track elevation changes. Additionally, the barometer can enhance weather forecasting by providing data on atmospheric conditions. Overall, it adds significant functionality to high-end smartphones. For example, let's consider iPhone 13. iPhone 13 have built-in barometer sensor. The people who climbing mountain at a certain point, the oxygen level is very low. So with the help of this barometer sensor, it indicates a warning message that above this level oxygen is very low. So be careful. So this saves many people life. So this barometer sensor is a useful sensor and it's found in high-end phones. In the image, we have seen the prototype of the barometer sensor. This sensor placed under the back camera inside your back panel. Fingerprint sensor. Nowadays, no one use password because all are lazy to type the passwords. So they set the either camera based, picture based passwords or fingerprint based password. This fingerprint based password is achieved using fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is crucial for security and authentication purpose in smartphones. It allows user to unlock their devices, authorize app purchases and verify their identity with a simple touch. This sensor can either be in display or under the screen or physical placed on the side or back or home button of the phone. The technology behind the fingerprint sensor analyzes the unique patterns of user fingerprint, providing a secure and convenient method of user authentication. So we have three images that shows the different position of the fingerprint sensor. In the first one, the sensor placed in the bottom of the mobile. In the second one, the sensor placed in the top of the mobile. In the third one, the sensor placed in the home button itself. And some phones, they have sensor in the side button. Heart rate sensor. Heart rate sensor is a feature that tracks the user's heart rate in real time, making it essential for monitoring health and fitness. It's commonly found in fitness-focused devices such as smartwatches and fitness bands. The sensor works by measuring the blood flow through your wrist or finger, helping user keep track of their heart's activity during workouts or rest. These features plays a significant role in fitness app and wearable devices, assisting user in maintaining optimal health by providing insights into their cardiovascular well-being. In older days, most of the heart attack cases, the patient is died due to the unavail of the hospitality or information not passed to the helping one. So this is the major reason the peoples are facing death in the heart attack issues. But nowadays all are wearing smartphones and these smartphones have providing additional features, that is, for example, if a person's father is a health sick, then the person give a smartwatch to his father and setting the settings. If the heart rate is below this level, immediately two people we can set up, the immediate message will be sent. For example, one is the son and another one is the nearby hospital. This is done with the help of this heart sensor. In this way, this sensor saving so many life in nowadays, because the immediate help from the medical team or the immediate from the helping hand will be available in a on time. So most of the life will be saved with the help of this heart sensor. Infrared sensor used for remote controls, face detection, and it also enables night photography. All mobiles have this infrared sensor placed near to your camera. The first image is the prototype of the infrared sensor and the second image is the infrared based file sharing. Before smartphones, some keyboard phones like sharing method before Bluetooth, that is infrared, that is placed near two mobiles, then the data will be shared to this mobile to that mobile. This will be achieved with the help of infrared. But in case any object in between these mobiles, then the infrared will not be working. So that is the major problem. Then only Bluetooth arrives and Bluetooth overcome this problem in infrared sensor. After that, Wi-Fi arrived and nowadays many smart technologies available to overcome these problems. But nowadays infrared sensor is helping that camera functioning properly. The infrared sensor serves various purposes in mobile devices, primarily for remote controls and face detection. It enables users to control electronic devices such as TVs or air conditioners directly from their phones. Additionally, IR sensor plays a crucial role in night photography by allowing for clearer images in low light conditions by detecting infrared lights. This sensor can also enhance face detection features, adding another layer of convenience and security in smartphones. So earlier fingerprint sensor discussion I have already mentioned. Most of the people using face as the password. So this will done with the help of this IR sensor. So how the sensor work together? Sensors in smartphones often work together to enhance the overall user experience. For instance, the accelerometer and gyroscope collaborate to detect motion and orientation, allowing for more precise navigation in maps or immersive gaming experiences. Similarly, proximity sensors work alongside with light sensor to adjust screen brightness or turn off the display when you are on a call. By integrating multiple sensors, smartphones can deliver seamless functionalities, creating a more intuitive and responsive experience for the users. So, let's consider a person. The person is maybe visually challenged. Then the person's hearing sense and smelling sense work far better than us because a sensor is not working or the data from the sensor is not enough to take a decision, then the sub sensor will help to overcome this problem. That is matching for human itself, and the same for smartphone itself. In some cases, the data from the proximity sensor is not enough to take a decision, then the infrared sensor data will combine and the proximity sensor data combined and take a decision. For example, when we taking calls, the proximity sensor may not get the data, then for the mobile is in the hand or near to the head. Then with the help of infrared sensor, both data combine and the decision will be taken either the mobile in this side or front side. So these why sensor work together, because when the data is low, the decision will not be taken based on the data. So by adding additional data or by increasing the accuracy, the sensors work together. This will enhance the user experience a lot. So this is why smartphones are reaching wide number of peoples because of this enhanced user experience. Real-time applications, health and fitness. Nowadays, we can't live without mobiles like air, food and the living place. Smartphone is one of the necessary human needs. So we have entirely depends on smartphone and smart devices. So when a device is called smart, that is achieved with the help of sensors available on the device. So sensor makes the device smarter. So anything is smart, then any devices is smart, then the backbone reason of that is because of the sensors. So we have seen some images. A person is working regularly in the gym by incorporating various activities. After that, he may know through his smartwatch how many calories he has burned and how many steps he have covered and what is his pulse rate and heart rate. So by monitoring himself, he can enhance the performance of himself. So this will done by the help of smartphones. So real-time application for health and fitness have greatly benefited from mobile sensor, allowing user to track physical activity and monitor vital signs. For example, fitness apps and wearable devices like smartwatches use sensors such as accelerometers and heart rate monitors to count steps, track distance, and monitor heart rate in real time. These innovations provide users with actionable health data, encouraging healthier lifestyle and more personalized fitness routines. So we have various applications. The backbone of this application is any one of the sensor. So that will cover in this slide. Gaming and AR. Gaming and augmented reality have transformed mobile experiences, offering immersive interactive environments. Popular examples include Pokemon Go game, which blends real-world location with gameplay, and VR games that create fully immersive digital worlds. These technologies leverage mobile sensors such as gyroscopes, accelerometers, and cameras to enhance user interaction, creating more engaging and dynamic experiences. As AR and VR continue to evolve, we can expect even deeper integration of these sensors in gaming for enhanced real-time interaction. Future trends in mobile sensor. Mobile sensor evolving rapidly with future trends focusing on health tracking immersive experiences. Sensors like heart rate monitors and SpO2 trackers, that is oxygen level trackers, are improving to meet the growing demand for health monitoring. Meanwhile, advancement in augmented reality and virtual reality will lead to more immersive real-world experiences in gaming and productivity application. These innovations will continue to push the boundaries of smartphone capabilities. Okay, now all of you take your mobile. Shall we check how many sensors available in your mobile phone with the help of USSD code, that is unstructured supplementary service data code. So with the help of this code, we can moving to the user interface. That interface shows how many sensors and hardware components available in your mobile. This code is verified with the latest updates, but some mobile models will this code will not be applicable. You can check by your mobile model to the online. There are various apps to perform this, like sensor box, sensor flow, like the apps, but with the help of this simple code, we can easily identify what are the sensors and hardware components available and if they are functioning properly or not. So shall we start? We will start with Xiaomi. So if the Xiaomi users available, then you can enter this code. Then you can moving to a user interface that will shows how many sensors available and how many hardwares available in your mobile. And the next one, Samsung. Samsung users, please enter this code. Then you will moving to the interface. Then that will show the how many sensors and hardware components available in your mobile. And you can check it by clicking the icons. And Vivo users use the same code for Samsung. And iPhone users, this is your code. And Nokia users, this is your code. And Realme users, finally, this is your code. In this slide, we are exploring how different smartphone brands allow sensors diagnostics through special USSD code. You can use these codes for popular brands like Xiaomi, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, iPhone, Nokia, and Realme are displayed here. In addition to USSD codes, there are many applications available to check and test your phone sensor. Some popular apps that include Sensor Box for Android and Sensor Multitool and CPZ. These tools provide detailed insights into the functionality and performance of the sensors, allowing you to easily verify that everything working as expected. Now I shows an image that will show the how students check by using these codes check their RGB color sensor available in their mobile and its functionality. They all are set red color. How the red color in mobile functioning. The image is this is the image. The codes is working properly for some students. They all are showing the display. So finally, we have come to an end. In conclusion, mobile sensors are what truly makes smartphones smart. We have introduced various sensors and explored their application, and now it's time to take this knowledge and apply it to create innovative Android application using these sensors. As developers, you have the power to harness these technologies to create solutions that can enhance everyday experiences and shape the future. Remember, every great app starts with a simple idea. So don't hesitate to experiment and push your boundaries. Keep learning, keep creating. So if you have any queries, you can contact me. Now that we have covered the topic in depth, I would like to open the floor for any questions you might have. Feel free to ask anything related to mobile sensor and their application or how to leverage them into Android environment. I am here to help to clarify and guide for further. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts or queries. Thank you.